Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the middle button again to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll through it, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Here select the display option and then find the option called adjust brightness and tap on it. If you want to adjust the screen brightness, I recommend to disable the auto option, and once you disable it, you can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen or press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.